Hello, welcome to another Wilderness Tame video on a very blustery day, and we're doing some tree trimming today, hence the big orange lid. Some very interesting growth on these. We've got Magnolia, Acers, a Rowan, Sorbus, I think a Camellia, a choice here, a Laurel, possibly, a holly, spotted laurel, skimmer, and a very leggy hydrangea. And I'll show you what's going on. There's a lot of low-hanging, overhanging branches encroaching onto the lawn. Curiously, considering it's August, the Magnolia is putting on some flower and the Rowan is in berry, so not so much trimming the height off these, but just taking them back off the lawn here. But these overhanging branches are a challenge to get them pruned without it looking like they've been pruned, and to just reclaim the garden really. Ace's putting on a lot of seed there, which is nice. So here's some stuff of interest. This branch is no longer serving any purpose, so he's going to come off. And then this one goes all the way out and round and was hanging over onto the outside. So I've already pruned the outer bits off that. It was hanging over the aces. And it comes all the way back through here. It's got this strange vertical jobber here. There's another similar one on this stud. So I think that, so that, and all of that are coming off. And then obviously there's dead bits and bobs to take care of. There's something dead here as well, which can come out. But yeah, even what I've already done, which isn't much, still allowing a lot of light back into here. So anyway, I'll crack on. So we've made an improvement to the frontage of the Magnolia there. There's a couple of straggly tall bits which I'm going to have to trace down and attack those from within the tree with the extendy pole. And then there's this bit over here, a few flowers on, which is hanging over the top of this maple, which I'm going to trim back. Probably take these branches back to sort of this kind of level. And there's another magnolia here, and there's a lot of hanging down over the lawn business going on. These magnolias seem to be a graveyard for extinct bird feeders. Found about 4 already. And I would imagine for the person who has the lawn to mow, that is an absolute pain in the back, because he's going to be limboing or crouching to get under there. So I'm going to raise the crown on that, as I probably should do on this Acer as well, although difficult to do without losing a lot of the shape. There's another extinct bird feeder, some dead wood in there. But yeah, you can see this magnolia here. I mean, there's quite a bit of lawn under that to try and get to. Bit of a faff on, and I don't think we'd be losing anything of the shape to remove those lower branches. So in order to get those higher branches, the overhanging branches, I'm going to use my middle extension. I've extended it. So I've reduced the height of the Magnolia quite substantially. I'll give you a look at the pile. Apart from a few strips of lelandii from the back, that is predominantly all off that one Magnolia. So yeah, generally looking a bit better. I've got this one to tackle, which is a much easier job. Hedge trimmers, I think. Just take it back and back and back to reclaim the lawn. Job's a good one. As I mentioned before, I think we'll raise the crown of that, take it back a bit. Don't need to reduce the height any. And that, my dear friends, is all I have to say about that. Done and dusted. Customers happy. I'm presuming they've just paid, so yeah, not a bad morning's work. Well, I'm not finished yet because I've still got all of that to chop up, all of that to get rid of, and then there's more over at the far end there where I've just trimmed up a scraggy lilac. So it'll be still wearing my shades from a lunch break. But yeah, not a bad day's work, half day's work. Hope you've enjoyed it. See you in the next one.